it's Kirsten from WTI. If your dog goes everywhere you go, just like mine does, you need to invest in a really good carrier, and I love this one from the NextFri store. So some features that really set this carrier apart is, first of all, the fact that it's extremely lightweight, so that's a huge plus, especially if your animal is quite large. This carrier is the medium size, and our dog is about a 10-pound Shih Tzu, so she has so much room in this carrier. It could definitely fit a larger size dog, but I really like the fact that it's nice and roomy in there for her. So I think this is a really great carrier because my dog feels comfortable in it. She actually didn't want to come out when I asked her to come out. I think that is mostly due to the nice mesh surrounds. So this mesh is a really high quality. My dog hasn't destroyed it or chewed it, but it definitely allows a lot of airflow, which is really nice and comforting knowing that my dog isn't suffocating in her carrier. I also love the little peekaboo window. I thought that was a really nice touch. My dog is really inquisitive and always needs to know where we're going, and she's always looking around. Also, when you travel with an animal, you definitely need storage space. And this carrier has about 4 little compartments where you can store a harness, a leash, anything, dog treats, poop bags, everything you can store right in the actual carrier. The zippers are really high quality. We haven't had any problems. And I love the fact that the shoulder strap is really comfortable, but it's also removable if you just want to use the shorter handles on the front, which are also padded. So they just thought of everything in this carrier, even the actual bed inside. You can remove it, you can wash it, which we definitely have. It's just a real all-around great quality carrier. My dog loves it, we love it. I know you will too, but that's just my point of view.